morning, YouTube. Good morning, everyone. Hi, I'm so excited. I wanted to share something with you. I've just woken up especially early to make something. I've been thinking about it all night. So just woke up. It's very early. Anyway, so I'm working from my craft studio. And look, I got this bottle. And it's got mica pearls in it. No, yeah, I tell her. Perfect pearls in it. One of my favourite colours, you know. Really nice one. So, oops. I used a handmade scoop to scoop the mica pearls out of there and pop them into this bottle. It had water in there, just ordinary tap water. I used quite a lot of my perfect pearls, the clear one that you can see there. And then I thought it wasn't working, so I kept spraying it anyway. So now can you see the work, the special, see that? Oh wow. This is just black cardstock, so I'm going to have to leave it to dry. It's absolutely drenched because I thought it wasn't working, so I carried on spraying, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I just have to leave it to dry now. That's just a stencil of a seahorse that I made. See, it's absolutely beautiful. And it's working fine. So anyway, I'm going to leave that to dry. So you know this bottle, this came from China. So because of the COVID, I left it for 5 days. Just, I didn't open the packaging or anything. I just opened it now. So I left it just in the bathroom for 5 days because I didn't want any contamination from China to my hands or my products or my home. So because it just arrived in a plastic, you know, baggy sort of thing. And also I wanted to share something with you. So my sister gave me some nail polishes that were dead. I think they belonged to her daughter. So anyway, so, last night before going to bed I did nail polish remover to there, and then I'm going to show you, oh yeah, actually no, I can show you now. So they weren't working at all, but after the remover I managed to paint this butterfly that used to be just a white die cut. Actually, sorry, no, first the purple, it was painted by my niece, 3.5, with a brush pen, the purple, and then I went over it with the silver and the glitter and a bit of the reddy pinky glitter polish. So it does work. It's become liquidy. Before it was just a absolute gloop and dried on type of polish. This one's got too much stuff in it. I'll have to take some out. And then this one. The thing is, when I tipped the nail polish bottle over, it was everywhere. Here, I quickly had to wipe it away with a bit of tissue. So this one, I'm not opening them right now because you know, just I'm filming with one hand and it's hard, isn't it? So I just wanted to share this with you, really. Anyway, maybe you should invest in this bottle too. It's similar to, the top is similar to, you know, Rangers Tim Holtz bottle, but it's cheap, much cheaper, because I was gonna buy the other bottle, so it was $3.99 plus $2.99 shipping. Then I thought that was a bit excessive, so I went for this one from Amazon, and in total it's £1.60, and it works really nice, except you have to wait about 5 weeks for delivery, obviously, because it's coming from China. But look, I'm gonna leave that to dry, and then I'm gonna share it with you later. Anyway, when I look at it, it's so nice. I don't know if you can see it. It's in the grains of the paper, the mica. Oh yeah, now actually I can see it. See, drying into the seahorse stencil. Yeah, give me a thumbs up if you like this, and do something amazing yourself. And then share it with me, and please subscribe to my channel, because I've lost one of my subscribers and I'm feeling sad. Thank you. Have a great Saturday. And perfect pearls and a spray bottle and some water is the way to go. Okay, see you. Take care. Bye.